Hi everyone, I've been meaning to come on and do this video mainly for the Facebook group, swap groups, because of flat mail and how to mail your swaps cheaper, hopefully. So this is how I will pack my, hold on, I just need to get some washi tape. This is how I will pack my swaps, so they will post on large letter stamp only. This is 3 swaps that I've done with the same lady. It's just how it happened to be partnered up. So I'll get my glue dots as well. So to give you an idea of what can go on a large letter, I know I've done this before. In this bag I've got 2 loaded food tags. That's what is in that bag. Obviously all the small little bits are all put in little bags like this inside the actual pocket, so they don't slide around anywhere. And I'm just going to fold the corners over at the top because I don't want to fold that ribbon down and ruin it. So I'm just going to fold that down. And I'm going to put a little bit of washi tape there so it holds everything in that bag. So nothing escapes the bag. They are quite tight fitting, those pockets actually, so I'll be very surprised if stuff does fall out of it, but it depends how rough they are in the mail, and usually they're rough. Just put a bit of washi tape there that says with love, just to hold it down. And then if I put another one there, I know it's definitely not going to come out. So this is a piece of A4 paper just cut down. So I'm going to lay it on that way. And I'm going to put some glue dots on first. So I'm going to glue dot it down. These glue dots come with these bags extremely easy, so the bag is reusable. So I don't know if you can see, there's 1, 2, 3 glue dots on there. Just going to stick that down. So that's stuck. That isn't going anywhere. That's adhered to the card. Now this is one of the 3 swaps you've seen on the other swap, and you have to make 3 memory dex cards for this swap. So I've done a summery one, a hello sunshine. I've done a flowery one, wishing you happy. No, that isn't the one I was going to include. And good job I've opened these. And there's always a reason to smile. Is that the one? That was the one, sorry. It's a good job I've looked at these. The In Bloom that you saw me do before on a craft collab that I showcased before. So those are my 3 die cut index cards. I obviously don't want them to slip and slide around and get damaged. I'm going to pop them in a paper bag. I'm going to fold it over. I'm going to put some washi tape just to hold the flap down. Like that. There we go. And I'm going to adhere that to the top of that package with sticky dots. I'm going to pop that down, probably where it's, but I'm going to choose to put it where it's less bulky, so I'm putting it more towards the top than the bottom portion where more of your stuff is in the pocket letters. This I'm not going to open because I've sealed it up. This is 6 altered paper clips. This was the third swap out of the 3. So again, I'm going to take some washi tape and I'm going to pop that there so it doesn't slip around, it doesn't make the package any fatter if it slips around, you know, in the post. It doesn't move anything around, it's all adhered down. You could just use glue dots if you want for that, but I just thought it would look a bit nicer. So that's everything, as you can see, stuck down. It's not going to shift in the mail, it isn't going to move, it isn't going to bulk it out anymore, it's all stuck. So we've got there 3 Memory Decks cards, 2 loaded pockets and 6 altered paper clips that will all go on a large letter. This is the envelope that I've chosen. I do use the paper envelopes as well, but I've chosen to use this one this time. And we just slide that in there, just like that. I'm not going to seal it off because I'm going to put a letter in it, so I don't want to seal it off yet. But I'm going to show you that, because it has to be under 1 inch thickness. And the best way to do it is, yes, I have done you know, where you cut 1 inch out card and that, and you put it through and you see if it goes through. But if you don't want to do that and you can't be bothered, that's absolutely fine. If you just put it down, you can see if it's going to be within the inch. Do you see what I mean? Let's fold it. Let's make it a bit more visually better. Let's fold it. Right. Make sure everything's to the bottom. Just fold it. Probably best doing on that one. There we go. And as you can see, and do that side as well if I can, because my arm's in the way. So as you can see, it is well under 1 inch. I'm trying to get it lined up so I can show you from both sides, but it's not working. Maybe if I get that out of the way, but then my hand's in the way. Anyway, you can measure it yourself against your board. Just put a bit of washi tape to hold it. And it might be easier to try and show. Like I said, I've got to put a letter in there. Make sure that everything's to the bottom. And it's going to be easy from this way. Right, so you can see that that is well under 1 inch for posting. And you've got quite a lot in there for a swap. So it's just really about packaging, how you pack it. And if you're putting it, if you're going to stick it down and adhere it to a piece of card, which will protect it anyway in the post, save it getting bent, it just stops it moving all over the place, so it doesn't all say land at the bottom portion of your envelope, and then you've got massive, you know, you've got a big bulk here that's over 1 inch. So yeah, I just thought I'd share that again. I know I've done another one of bits from die cutting. I know I've done another one to show you how to do pack swaps, how I pack swaps, just to keep the money down, because we all like a little bit of knowledge on how to keep the money down, and especially with postage. Because I'm sorry, I disagree. I don't think it's cheap in this country, postage, at all. I think it's quite dear, especially for the service that you get. So, that's it, folks. Finished. I hope you've watched the video. I hope you liked the video. Feedback would be welcomed. Thank you very much. Goodbye.